hard work is the key to success. You have to work consistently. You must be determined. Never be disappointed. Your success depends on work. People may refuse you. They will tell you you cannot. This is not for you. Remember, everything is hard, but nothing is impossible. You will have to believe on yourself. Forget the impossible. Your power is everything. Focus on your power. You can do it. Try again. Never quit. Accept the challenge. And prove your power. Victory takes time. Make your dream bigger. Work hard for the dream. Develop your skill. Improve your power. And never stop. You must be success.